Welcome to a Heart Opening Flow. I'm Carolina and I'm very excited to show you how you can gently open yourself up to life, love, and joy. Today's nourishing sequence will leave you peaceful, happy, and ready for the day ahead. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Start bringing attention to your breath. Just breathe naturally and consciously. Don't change your breath, just observe it. Where do you feel it most? In your chest? In your stomach? How is your breath? Deep or shallow? Slow or fast? Bring attention to your heart space. Feel or listen to your heartbeat. How's your heart this morning? Start deepening your breath. Feel the air filling your belly, your rib cage, and your chest. And as you breathe out, feel the chest falling, the belly pulling in, the breath rushing out. Let's start breathing together. Breathe in for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And breathe out for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Continue this deep 3-part breath. Even though you're completely still, your body's moving with the breath. Each breath bringing renewed energy all the way from your belly into your heart, for your heart to then distribute throughout your body. Bring attention to your heart again. Imagine a bright light in the center of your heart, growing with your breath. As you breathe in, a new energy comes in, and as you breathe out, that light is expanding throughout and beyond your body. Just sit in this loving, peaceful, joyous light. The heart chakra, Anahata, is related to the sense of touch. So bring both hands onto your heart and give yourself a healing hug, a gentle hold. This heart has been with you your whole life, beating since the early days in the womb, growing with you, supporting you through your childhood, through traumas, helping you heal. Extend some gratitude to this amazing tool that never stops beating, never stops loving, caring, and healing. And yet often we take it for granted. Start a conversation with it. What does it need to open a little bit more, to heal the wounds, to express love more freely? I'll give you a moment. Whatever came up for you could be your intention for this practice. If nothing came up, your intention could be a closer connection to your heart or more openness. Plant that seed of your intention in your heart and watch it take root. Take a deep breath and gently let it go. Now slowly open your eyes. We'll start in a tabletop position with some cat-cows. Make sure that your wrists are under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Inhale, bend your back, drop your belly and gaze up. Exhale, round the spine and drop your head. Continue. On the inhale, drop your chest down, raising your head up. Breathe into your belly. Exhale, tuck the belly, tuck the tailbone under, head's relaxed. Empty your breath. Continue just like that. Or add a slow, intuitive movement. For example, rotating your hips, shifting forward and back or left and right, getting your head and spine involved, whatever feels natural. Continue with your own breath. Come back to stillness. Inhale, reach your right hand up and look towards it. Exhale, thread the right arm under your torso, reaching to the left. Rest your shoulder and your cheek on the floor. Inhale, rise up, arm up. And exhale, lie down again. And one more time, this time on the exhale, lower down and hold. You can walk your left hand forward or bind and rest it on the right thigh. Exhale, left arm comes back. Inhale your right arm up again and put it back down. We're going to the other side. Lift your left arm up, look up on the inhale. Exhale, fold and thread. Inhale up again. And exhale, fold. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold and stay. On your next inhale, come back up with your arm raised and place it back down. Now walk both hands forward, keeping your hips above the knees. Lower your chest down and rest your forehead or chin on the ground. Puppy pose. Feel your heart stretching and opening. Breathe into it. Remember your intention. The pose only starts when we want to get out of it. You can do it. From here, slide forward into Sphinx. Drop your hips down, chest lifts between the arms. Forearms and elbows firmly pressed to the ground. And hold. as if you're trying to pull the chest through the arms. Shoulders are above the elbows. Press into your feet so that pelvis tucks. Exhale, lower down and rest on one cheek. Widen your hands. On an inhale, come onto your fingertips. The smooth wave-like movement. Lift up your chest, arms straight. And exhale, drop back down. Continue. Inhale, lift. Exhale, bow down. Make it as smooth and as seamless as you can. Come down and rest. You can make a pillow with your hands. You can rest one cheek on the ground. Bring your palms under your shoulders. Inhale, press into your hands. Lift up into Cobra this time. Low or high. Again, you're trying to expand that chest. Lift it up. Pull it through the hands. Push into your feet so that the knees are off the mat. On your next exhale, press into your hands, lift up your hips into a downward facing dog. Take it for a walk. Pedal your feet, bend one leg, then the other. Move your hips. Do whatever your body needs. Where can you create more space? And come to stillness. Push into your knuckles and fingers. Lengthen the spine. Bring your chest towards your legs. Push your heels back. You can bend the knees a little. Breathe into the back of your heart. Exhale, look up. Inhale, step or float to the front of your mat. Halfway lift, straight back. Exhale, forward fold and hold it for a few seconds. Maybe grab opposite elbows and hang. Pay attention to your chest. Is there a restriction that's trying to clear? Inhale slowly, one vertebra at a time. Rise up, hands come up. Exhale, lower your hands to mountain pose and feel. Did anything change within your body? Inhale, raise both arms up. Exhale, bow down. Right leg steps back, knee rests on the ground. Inhale, low lunge. Lift your chest up. Come up higher with a straight back and cactus the arms. Exhale, straighten the left leg and bow over it. Inhale, bend the elbows and the knee again. Push the chest forward. Exhale, half splits and bow. Continue a few more times with your own breath. Inhale and exhale, moving slowly. Now inhale into a low lunge. And exhale, left foot joins the right at the back of the mat. Lower yourself down, chaturanga. You can drop your knees here. Inhale, cobra, your chest shines through. Exhale, downward facing dog. The right leg comes forward. And again, inhale into low lunge, come up, straight back, and cactus the arms or open them up. Exhale, bow over the right leg this time. Inhale, lunge, open the chest. Exhale, fold. And repeat with your own breath. Now inhale into a low lunge again and exhale, left foot joins the right at the front of the mat. Forward fold. Inhale, roll up slowly. Exhale into mountain pose. We're doing the other side. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold. Left leg goes back. Inhale, low lunge, straight back. And cactus the arms or open them up. Chest up and hold. Exhale, fold into the half splits and hold. Inhale, low lunge. And exhale, the right foot goes back. The knees can come down. Chaturanga. Inhale into cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. The left leg comes forward. Inhale, low lunge with open arms and hold. Exhale, fold over the leg and hold. Inhale, back to lunge. Exhale, right leg comes forward, standing fold. Inhale, roll up. Exhale, mountain pose and breathe. Bring attention to your heart again. Bend your knees slightly. Inhale, brush the ground with your fingertips and lift your arms up into a chair pose. Hold. Your gaze is fixed, your heart shines forward, pelvis is tucked. Exhale, fold, hands come to the ground. Inhale into a halfway lift, straight back. Exhale, step or jump back into a plank and hold. Breathe. Lower or raise your pelvis, strong arms. Push yourself away from the floor, flat back. Exhale, chaturanga. Lower down as slow as you can. Inhale, chest up, lift everything apart from your hands and your feet off the ground. Upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale your right leg up, bend the right knee and stack your hips. Start pivoting to the right on your left foot. Raise your right arm up overhead, keeping the left arm on the ground. Right foot finds the ground, it's the wild thing. The chest is raised up to the sky. Right leg is bent, left leg straight. The whole body stretches. Inhale back to three-legged dog. Exhale, step the right foot between the hands. Left foot is at 45 degrees. Inhale yourself up. Warrior one. Arms by the ears. Hips are square, facing forward. Hold your gaze. Exhale, warrior two. Your pelvis is facing the long side of the mat. The arms are stretched, strong legs and core. Inhale, reverse the warrior. Your right arm travels by the ear. Right knee is still bent. Hold this pose and turn your chest towards the sky. Exhale into the extended side angle. Your right arm rests on the right thigh, left arm travels overhead. You can put your right arm on the ground or bind around your right leg, extending your chest to the sky. Inhale, come back to warrior two. Cartwheel your arms down, go through chaturanga, lower down, and inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, it's the downward facing dog. We're doing the other side. Inhale your left leg up, bend the knee into a scorpion. Start turning to the left into the wild thing. Lengthen your body, stretch the chest, and hold. Inhale back to three-legged dog. The left foot steps forward, warrior one on the inhale. Exhale, warrior two. Hold. Inhale, reverse the warrior, stretching that chest into the sky. And exhale, side angle. Hold. Again, choose your arm variation. Inhale, come up, back to warrior two, and chaturanga on the exhale. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Hold for a few breaths. Stretch the heart towards your legs. Inhale here, and exhale, look forward. Bend your knees. Inhale, step or jump towards the front of the mat, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, bend your knees, chair pose. Exhale, mountain pose, and breathe. Feel into your heart. Inhale, bend your knees, arms up, chair pose. Exhale, fold. Inhale's the halfway lift. Exhale, step or jump back, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. The right leg steps between the hands. Inhale, warrior one. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, side angle. And again, inhale, reverse. Exhale, side angle. Inhale, back to warrior two. Interlace your fingers behind you. Inhale, chest up, look up. Exhale, fold towards your right leg and hold, humble warrior. Your right knee is still bent. Again, breathe into the back of your heart. Inhale, slowly come up. Exhale, back to warrior two. Cut with your arms down, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. And left leg comes forward. Let's do the other side. Inhale to warrior one. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, side angle. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, side angle. Inhale, warrior two. Again, interlace your fingers behind you, chest up. And exhale, fold, humble warrior. Hold here. Feel the stretch in your shoulders and your heart area. Inhale, come up, back to warrior two. And chaturanga on the exhale. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Hold for a few breaths. Rest. Inhale, step or jump towards the front of the mat, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, bend your knees, chair pose. Exhale, mountain pose, and breathe. You can bring both hands towards your heart again. And we go again a little faster. Inhale, bend your knees, arms up, chair pose. Exhale, fold. Inhale's the halfway lift. Exhale, step or jump back, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. The right leg steps forward. Inhale, warrior one. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, side angle. Inhale, back to warrior two. Exhale, interlace the fingers. Inhale, back bend. And on the exhale, fold to humble warrior. Inhale yourself up, come back to warrior two. Right foot pivots to the middle, feet are at 45-degree angle. You're facing the long side of the mat. Inhale, straighten your legs, your arms sweep up. Exhale, bend your knees, bend the elbows. It's the goddess pose. Squat down. Repeat. Inhale up, stretch the arms up, Exhale, squat, chest up, lengthen the spine. Inhale, stretch. And exhale, goddess. Keep going with your breath. Now inhale yourself up. Adjust the feet so that heels are wider than the toes. Hands on the hips. Inhale, bend your back. And exhale, fold. Hands come to the ground as far between your legs as you can. Inhale, straighten your back. And exhale, round and hold. Breathe into the back of your heart. Make more space. Exhale, hands come onto the hips. Inhale, slowly come up. Exhale, back to warrior two. Cut with your arms down, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. And left leg comes forward. Inhale to warrior one. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, side angle. Inhale, warrior two. Interlace the fingers behind you on the exhale. Inhale, back bend. Exhale, humble warrior. Inhale, back to warrior two. Turn to the side, feet are at 45-degree angle. Inhale, reach up. And exhale, goddess pose. Hold this pose this time. Tuck your pelvis under, strong legs. Lift your chest up and create some space. Breathe. Now inhale, come up. Adjust the feet. This time interlace your fingers behind. Again, a mini back bend as you inhale. And exhale, fold. Hold and breathe into your back body. Exhale, hands come on the hips. And inhale, slowly come up. Transition to warrior two. Chaturanga. And inhale into upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Rest for a few breaths. Now look up and jump to the front. It's the halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, chair. Exhale, mountain pose. Hold. How are you feeling after the flow? Check in with your heart again. Inhale, your arms come up, and exhale, fold again. Inhale into a halfway lift. Exhale, jump back, lower down all the way to the ground. Your forehead rests on the ground, your arms are stretched behind. Inhale, lift your chest up, lift your arms and legs up, and hold. It's the locust pose. Exhale, lower down and rest on one cheek. Now you can either repeat this pose or grab your ankles or feet, and on the inhale, kick back with the feet, lifting up your chest and knees off the ground. The bow pose. Hold. Try to keep your knees close together. Keep your feet flexed if you're holding onto your ankle, or toes pointing if you're holding onto your feet. Exhale, lower down and rest on the other cheek. Now slowly come up to a tabletop position. Send your hips back with the arms stretched in front of you or behind you, and rest in a child's pose. Now lift up into a tabletop position again. We'll be moving into a camel pose, which might be quite challenging, so follow my lead. Transition onto your knees. Put your hands on your hips. Send your hips back. On the inhale, with a smooth wave-like movement starting from your pelvis, bend your back and lift your chest up. Your neck can stay straight, or you can tilt your head back and hold for as long as it feels comfortable. When you're ready to come out, make sure that your neck comes back last. Hold for a few more breaths. Inhale, slowly come back. And exhale, sit on your feet. Rest with a neutral spine. Come up again. You might want to tuck your toes for this one. The same movement again. This time, if you'd like, you can slowly tilt your head back or put your hands on your heels, depending on how your body feels about this intense back bend. Don't do it if there's pain. Slowly come back and adjust, or hold. Gently roll back up, head returns last, and come back to a child's pose. Rest here. Again, feel into your body, focusing on your chest. Does it feel more open? Now slowly come up and transition into a sitting position. Stretch both legs in front of you. Bring your right foot to rest on the inside of your left thigh. Sit comfortably. Inhale, both arms up. And exhale, fold over the legs. Hold. You can get a hold of your foot or place your arms on the floor. Give your spine a little rest. Inhale, slowly come back up. Your right foot travels behind the left thigh. Inhale, the left arm up. And exhale, hook the left elbow on the outside of the right knee and twist. Take up space on the inhale and twist further on the exhale. Come back to center. Stretch both legs in front of you and switch. Bring your left leg to the inside of the right thigh. Inhale your arms up with a straight back. And exhale, fold over the legs, keeping your back straight for as long as you can. Place your hands where you can reach and hold. Come back up. Left foot steps behind your right leg. Inhale, right arm up. And exhale, twist. Now come back to center. Bring both feet towards your chest. And slowly lie down on your back. Bring your heels towards your sit bones so that your fingers can touch them. Inhale, lift your hips up to the sky. You can interlace the fingers underneath you and roll onto your shoulders. Say hello to your heart and hold. Remember your intention here. Now lift your hips up higher. Strong legs. Exhale, hips come down, knees together, feet apart, and rest with neutral spine. Now bring your feet back to hip distance apart. And you can go again, raising your hips up on the inhale, or if you'd like to do a wheel this time, put your hands on both sides by your ears, and on the inhale, roll onto your head and lift up. This is another very intense back bend, so if you have back or wrist issues, I do not recommend staying in this pose. Just continue with the bridge pose. Exhale, lower down, and just before Shavasana, feel free to do whatever your body still craves. Whether it's a shoulder stand, maybe another twist, happy baby, or just knees to chest, giving yourself a hug. And when you're ready, stretch out, get comfortable, and rest. Feel into your body. How do you feel physically, emotionally, mentally, energetically, and spiritually? How is your heart after the practice? Remember your intention again and rest. Gently start deepening the breath. Move your fingers and toes. Maybe roll onto a favorite side. Rest for a breath. And slowly come up into an easy seat. Bring the palms together or rest your palms on the heart and bow down in gratitude for yourself and this practice. Namaste.